Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Anthony. Kublai phi baro kini gilong ki khubor bam tagasni. U MLA ka Shillong South constituency u ba Sanbor Shulai ula wanra yakamat yatai jungkilat pathai khubor ha ka kenta jungkali jungkador bar sunrai men ha ka arkhnyau tarik unaila. Ban jubab naga menteri ka babat iknat pathai paitba ka DIPR ka Dr. Emprin M. Lingdo. Uba Sanbor Shulai habakali la ka Sarkar Jilla kala pentri kam ya ka Meghalaya Journalist Welfare Scheme 2024. Nu ka Sarkar ka Jukershan ya kilat pathai khubor laha ka pang ka shitam ne ka Journalist Family Scheme Pension Scheme bat kiwe. Nagaliang ka menteri ka Dr. Emprin M. Lingdo haba jubab ya ka Jinkali uba Sanbor Shulai ba ya ka Meghalaya Journalist Welfare Scheme 8,000 ka Sarkar kalaterwa bandang penkre. Shushu ka menteri ka kubur ba ka Journalist Welfare Scheme 8,000 khandai ka day ka balarim haba ya nujor bat kiwe ki jilla. Ki bala nang penkre bunsha haba ya day ba kilat ay jingirap ya ginong tho kubur. Haba benrap ka scheme thamai ba ka Sarkar kalaterwa ban penkiu ya ka Journalist Fund Shaka Life Sanlak tingka haba shim ba ka Sanlak tingka Corpus Fund ka day ka barit balan. Lada jia ka jingyap kinong tho kubor kat ba ka song pisa na ka bentaban sumar lada pang ban kiu na ka sanpho hajar tingka Shaka Lailak tingka kala ong la day ban penkiu. Hayeng dorbar thawan ka Dr. Emprin M. Lingdo kala penslur ya kinong tho khubor bakin register yala di ha ka Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme MHIS. Habak do ya ka jilla ba marjan kum ka Assam ka bala ai ya ka bai bam timmen ya kinong tho khubor bala shongthan ka kong Emprin kala pentip ba kane ka kamru kadang don hapleng ka jing penkre. Nalor kane ka menteri kala ong ba ka dei ka jing shisha ba katu kat ne kinong tho khubor klamat i ka jing e namar ka jing bamyo ya ka jing siu batikna. Kargum ka jing ong jangga Sarkar kala shim ya ka sinjam ban pintikna ba kinong tho khubor ki ba kamai duna ya ka khatsan hajar tingka kin shakdum hapo ka Provident Fund Scheme. Kala penmenaru ya ka rai jung ka Sarkar ban ai ki ging shakinong tho khubor. Ha ka juk kapor ka menteri kala pentip ba ka Sarkar ka don jingtmu ban wanra ya ki katu kat ne ki an ki bante lakam bat tenrong ya ka jing bakli halor ka jing pensapriang ya ki jing tip balam le.
Is to provide a one-time assistance on urgent basis. Journalists who suffer loss of life or unnatural deaths get up to about 1 lakh in the 2009 scheme. Journalists who suffer permanent disabilities, etc., get approximately about 50,000. Relief to journalists in case of extreme hardship on account of illness, up to a maximum of 50,000 at one time. Some journalists have also got 2 times. So we also have, in order to administer this, we have a committee. It's called the Journalist Welfare Scheme Committee. Then, sir, we have a corpus fund at that point of time of 5 lakhs, always placed at the disposal of the DIPR budget. Then we also have these schemes specifically for accredited journalists only. So, journalists who suffer loss of life also in unnatural death circumstances also are given a relief of 1 lakh. Yes, sir. As of today, these are the different parameters applicable and available for journalists in general.
One more supplementary. Based on the reply of the Honorable Minister, the details of amount provided for the family of the journalists and medical welfare for the journalists, since I feel it is very, very less, I would like to request the Honorable Minister to kindly look into this matter and with the request to kindly enhance it to another 100%.
Honorable Speaker, sir, in total agreement with the Honorable Member, very senior legislator, vast experience and knowledge. And yes, 2009 scheme was a little outdated. We look at other states, we've seen that they have progressed much more on various sectors for these kinds of interventions for journalists. Hence, we are now in the process of proposing the Meghalaya Journalist Welfare Scheme 2024. It is at a stage which is very advanced. In fact, we are now looking at a corpus availability of fund of not less than 35 lakhs, because 5 lakhs is very meager. In fact, there are different heads where we are now looking at not just 100% increase, a 500% increase from 1 lakh to 5 lakh for deaths of journalists. Then treatment from 50 to 3 lakhs, from 50,000 to 3 lakhs. And so we are also encouraging journalists to register with the MHIS scheme, which is very beneficial for all journalists. We are also proposing some specific funding for health, cashless treatments of journalists, but then all of this is in a proposal stage. So we are aware that there are certain states closer to us, like Assam, where they have pension, retired journalists for pension. And we are looking at a possibility. Do not want to commit much here, sir, but we are concerned and we are seeing whether that will be a possible thing in the immediate future.
Thank you.
Yes, Honorable, please.
Honorable Speaker, sir, when we talk about the issue about journalists within a state, in the country as a whole, we understand they are the pillar of democracy, fourth pillar of democracy. At the same time, in collecting information and then distributing information to the public at large. I would like to know from the Honorable Minister in charge whether the government have any plan for having a kind of stipend to only to those accredited journalists within the state as well.
So, it is factual that not all media houses have a regular or a similar slabbing of salary or remunerations for journalists. And it is also a fact that some journalists suffer greatly because of these difficulties of irregular payments. We completely share this concern. However, journalists are employed by independent or private entities. And yes, we are looking at accreditation procedures so that these journalists are taken care of by their employing agencies. And we hope to see a day that any journalist earning less than 15,000 should at least be covered by the Employment Provident Fund organization scheme of the country, and that each of these independent agencies take care for the welfare of journalists. We are also considering actively a housing proposal for journalists, because at least if we can provide shelter to the journalists, it's better. But everything is at a preparatory stage. We are committed as a government, and we hope that we'll do better justice to the predicament of journalists in general, sir.
One more, sir.